Welcome guys, we will see to manage mobile from laptop or PC. So stay tuned and watch the video. Visit syncios.com website and download application for Android or iOS. This application is available for both. It is a professional mobile manager tools. You can handle all your applications, messages and calls from your PC. Both versions are available. We will download for Windows operating system, that is available for Windows 7, 8 or 10. Let's download. Downloading is started. I am going to stop the video. Okay, the application has been downloaded. Let's execute the exe file. The file is being installed. Now you can see that there is an installation process. You can download YouTube videos from this application as well. Now the installation has been completed. We launch the application. Okay, the installation is successful, and here you can see that the manuals are available for further readings. We will start the application now, and my mobile phone is also connected with my PC. You can see in the overlap video as the service has started. Application is also available or installed on my mobile device, and now it is connected. You can see that it is the system storage space or the internal memory, and you can see the memory card storage as well. Here I have my application installed on my mobile device. Here you can see the list of all devices applications available. There are many other features in this application, like you can download videos from any website. Let me download a video from YouTube. Just copy the link of any YouTube video and paste that link into the application. You can download more than one videos at a time by just typing the links of all the YouTube videos in the application. Here I will download only a single video and I will start download. You can select the video format. The file is being downloaded. Here you can see that the downloading has been started. So this is a very helpful application. You can take many benefits from a single application. We will cancel the downloading. Here are different options in the tools of the application. You can see that you can create GIF from video files. You can drop any video and you can make it as a GIF video. Here are different other applications for mobile handling, for device management. I hope you will find this video very much helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you soon in the next video. Thank you again.